Maintaining your Maxima Advanced Chamber Sterilizer. In this video, we will review the routine maintenance for your Maxima Advanced Chamber Sterilizer. View our other videos for more in-depth operating instructions, proper loading, and preventive maintenance. Monthly or 50 cycles maintenance. Warning: before beginning any maintenance, ensure that the sterilizer is turned off and the power cord is unplugged. Also, confirm that the sterilizer has completed any cycle in progress and has completely cooled down. Always follow all health, safety, cross-infection, and cross-contamination protocols. Cleaning the door gasket, the chamber face side, and the chamber filters. Clean the door gasket and the outer edge of the chamber with a non-abrasive cloth moistened with clean water. Do not use abrasive products, cutting tools, or sharp objects. Rinse with clean water. Empty the sterilizer chamber by removing the trays and the rack. Remove the filters at the bottom of the chamber by unscrewing them. Rinse the filters with tap water to remove any debris. Clean the chamber, trays, and the rack with a slightly damp sponge and a mild detergent solution. You may refer to the instrument manufacturer's instructions for suitable cleaning agents, ensuring they are compatible with the sterilizer chamber materials. Rinse the chamber, trays, and the rack thoroughly with clean water to remove all traces of detergent. Insert the filters back into their original position, screwing them in until snug. Ensure all components are dry before the next use. Cleaning the external surfaces of the sterilizer. Clean all external sterilizer covers with a slightly damp cloth moistened with water or use approved cleaning solutions referenced in the IFU. Never use any other disinfectant, detergent, or abrasive product, as they may be too harsh for the external covers and damage them. Yearly or 1200 cycles maintenance. The door gasket and HEPA filter should be replaced every 1200 sterilization cycles, or once a year, whichever comes first. The sterilizer may display a pre-alert message when a consumable replacement is approaching. Ensure you have the necessary spare parts available. Operating the sterilizer with expired consumables could be dangerous and could damage the sterilizer. Replacing the door gasket. Open the chamber door. Remove the used door gasket by hand. Carefully clean the seal seat and the inside face of the chamber door with a non-abrasive cloth moistened with clean water. Ensure no residue remains. Insert the new door gasket, pressing it in place evenly, first up and down, then left and right. Make sure the door gasket is seated evenly around the entire circumference. Replacing the HEPA filter. Open the sterilizer door. Locate the HEPA filter and unscrew it by hand in a counterclockwise direction. Screw on the new HEPA filter in a clockwise direction. Resetting the consumable cycle counters. After replacing the door gasket and/or the HEPA filter, you will need to reset their respective cycle counters. Using the hamburger menu on the touchscreen, tap the maintenance icon and then select the consumable you have replaced. A message will display the number of cycles currently performed and how many cycles remain before needing to replace the consumable. Tap the confirm button, the checkmark icon, to reset the cycle counter for the replaced consumable. 7-year or 5,000 cycles maintenance. Every 5,000 cycles or 7 years, have your Henry Schein Service Technician perform a maintenance service including the replacement of consumables and other important internal components, the cleaning of areas and components not accessible by the user, and an overall system check. Maintaining the water tanks. The used water tank should be drained whenever you get a signal saying it is full. If you plan on not using the sterilizer for at least 7 days, both tanks should be drained. Otherwise, they don't need to be drained unless prompted. If using the autofill and auto-drain kits, it never needs to be drained. Start by placing a container with a minimum capacity of 1.84 gallons below the sterilizer. Open the sterilizer service door. To drain the clean water tank, place one end of the drain tube into the container and firmly insert the other end into the blue drain connector. To drain the used water tank, place the end of the drain tube into the container and firmly insert the other end into the gray drain connector. Allow the water to drain completely from both tanks. Thank you for watching. For further technical support regarding your Maxima Advanced Chamber Sterilizer, please refer to the instructions for use. Or contact Henry Schein Technical Advisors at 800-280-8990, option 1.